Are you noticing your muscles feel weaker than before? Every morning, that little stiffness or fatigue can make simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel more challenging. Leg strength may feel slower, energy may dip. Movements that used to feel easy might take a bit more effort, but there's a safe, simple way to support your muscles without expensive shakes, gimmicks, or extreme diets. In this video, I'll share 5 breakfast habits that many adults find helpful for staying strong and moving comfortably every day. Many adults skip breakfast. Some think a quick coffee is enough. But skipping breakfast can make muscles feel weaker over time. Your body needs nutrients in the morning to support strength and energy. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for muscles. A boiled egg, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or tofu can be excellent choices. Pairing protein with vegetables and fruits adds extra vitamins and minerals. Berries, spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, or avocado are easy options. Even a small smoothie with fruit and a scoop of protein powder works well. Sprinkle seeds or nuts for healthy fats. These small additions can make a big difference over weeks. A glass of water in the morning is often overlooked. Hydration supports muscle function and helps with energy. If your doctor recommends it, a safe vitamin D or calcium supplement can assist with muscle and bone support. You don't need complicated meals. Even simple combinations like oatmeal with nuts and berries or a veggie omelette provide protein, fiber, and micronutrients. You can prepare some ingredients the night before to save time. Light movement after breakfast is also helpful. Gentle stretches for arms, shoulders, or legs can support circulation. A short walk around the house or yard activates muscles without a gym. You can also try mini squats, holding onto a counter, or seated leg lifts while watching TV. These exercises are safe, simple, and effective for adults. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small, repeated habits add up over weeks and months. If you stick to this pattern, your breakfast can become a powerful daily routine to support strength and comfort. Remember, these habits may help support muscles, but everyone's needs are different. Always check with your doctor before adding new supplements, foods, or exercises. Many adults find this approach helpful and practical. And the best part, you can do it all from home. Many adults over 50 notice mid-morning fatigue. It can be harder to stay active after breakfast. Sometimes muscles feel weaker or stiff by late morning. This is common with age, but small habits can help. A healthy mid-morning snack may support energy and muscle function. Fruit is one of the easiest options. Try an apple, banana, or a handful of berries. Vegetables can also be added as small bites. Carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or cherry tomatoes work well. Pairing fruits and vegetables with protein keeps energy steady. A small portion of nuts or seeds works perfectly. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese are quick protein options. Even a slice of whole grain toast with nut butter can help. These snacks provide vitamins, minerals, and protein for daily muscle support. Hydration is also important. A glass of water or herbal tea keeps muscles working comfortably. Gentle movement between breakfast and lunch can make a difference. Try standing up and stretching arms overhead. Shoulder rolls and wrist stretches improve circulation. Short walks around the kitchen or yard activate leg muscles. Seated leg lifts or mini squats with support from a counter are simple options. Breathing deeply while moving adds oxygen to muscles. These small activities may seem minor, but over time, they support strength and mobility. You don't need heavy equipment or a gym. Consistency is key. Repeating these habits daily helps muscles stay active and reduces stiffness. If your doctor approves, safe supplements like vitamin D or omega-3 South can complement nutrition. Individual results vary. Many adults over 50 find that combining small snacks with gentle movement improves energy and comfort during the morning. Always consult your healthcare provider before making dietary or exercise changes. These small, home-friendly steps may help you feel steadier stronger, and more capable throughout the day. Many adults over 50 notice strength dips after lunch. Some feel sluggish or stiff in the afternoon. This is often linked to lower protein intake during the day. Protein is essential for muscle repair and energy. Including it at lunch supports muscles built from morning habits. Lean proteins are simple and home-friendly. Try grilled chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu. Plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, or beans work too. Pair protein with colorful vegetables for vitamins. And fiber, spinach, peppers, broccoli, and carrots add nutrients and variety. A small portion of healthy fats helps absorption of vitamins. Avocado, olive oil, or nuts are easy additions. If your doctor recommends it, safe supplements like omega-3 or vitamin D can complement your meal. You can keep lunch simple and practical. A salad with beans, vegetables, and a boiled egg is quick. A sandwich with whole grain bread, lean protein, and fresh vegetables works well. Even a stir fry with tofu and mixed vegetables is effective. Drinking water with lunch keeps muscles hydrated. Gentle movement after lunch can reduce stiffness. Try a short walk around the house or yard. Standing stretches or shoulder rolls also help circulation. Seated leg lifts or mini squats are safe and simple for supporting leg strength. Consistency is more important than intensity. Repeating these habits daily helps maintain muscle function over time. Many adults over 50 find that combining protein-rich meals with light movement improves energy and comfort in the afternoon. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or exercise routine. Small, home-friendly choices like these may help you stay stronger, feel steadier, and move more comfortably throughout the day. Many adults over 50 notice a dip in energy during the afternoon. Muscles may feel tight, legs may feel heavier. This is normal with age-related changes. Small, healthy snacks can help support strength and energy. Fruit is an easy choice. Try an apple, pear, or a handful of grapes. Vegetables work too. Carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or cherry tomatoes are simple options. Pair snacks with protein to keep energy steady. A small portion of nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt works well. Cheese or boiled eggs are also convenient choices. These snacks help maintain nutrient balance throughout the day. Hydration is essential. A glass of water, herbal tea, or infused water supports muscle function. Gentle movement during the afternoon keeps muscles active. Try walking around the house or a yard for a few minutes. Standing stretches for shoulders, arms, and back helps circulation. Seated leg lifts or mini squats are simple ways to engage leg muscles. Even arm circles while sitting can support upper body movement. You don't need a gym or heavy equipment. Consistency with small, repeated habits is more effective than intense activity. If your doctor recommends it, safe supplements like vitamin D or omega-3 South can complement your nutrition. Individual needs vary, so always check with your healthcare provider. Planning snacks in advance can make healthy choices easier. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables or small snack packs save time. Keep protein options handy to pair with fruit or vegetables. Many adults over 50 find that combining afternoon snacks with gentle movement reduces fatigue. It helps muscles stay active and supports comfort through the rest of the day. These small, home-friendly habits are practical and sustainable. Over weeks and months, they can support strength, steadiness, and energy. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Many people find these tips helpful, but always consult your doctor before making dietary or exercise changes. Many adults over 50 notice stiffness in the evening. Legs may feel tight. Arms may feel sore after daily activities. This is normal and common with age. Evening habits can help muscles recover and stay strong. A light protein-rich dinner supports muscles overnight. Try fish, chicken, tofu, or beans. Pair it with colorful vegetables for vitamins and fiber. Broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, or zucchini are easy choices. Adding healthy fats helps absorption of nutrients. Avocado, olive oil, or a sprinkle of nuts. Works well if your doctor recommends it. Safe supplements like vitamin D or magnesium may complement dinner. Hydration in the evening is important too. A glass of water or herbal tea supports muscles and overall comfort. Gentle movement after dinner can reduce stiffness. Try a short walk around your home or yard. Simple stretches for shoulders, back, and legs help circulation. Seated leg lifts or mini squats at home are effective. Deep breathing while stretching helps oxygen reach muscles. These habits don't need equipment or a gym. Small, consistent movements support mobility and strength. Preparing light evening meals in advance makes healthy choices easier. Even chopped vegetables or a pre-cooked protein option saves time. Consistency matters more than intensity. Daily small steps support muscles and energy over weeks and months. Many adults over 50 find that combining light dinner habits with gentle movement improves comfort and supports steadiness. It helps them feel stronger and more capable each morning. Remember, these tips are educational and supportive. Always consult your doctor before changing your diet, taking supplements, or starting new exercises. With simple evening habits, you can reinforce the strength built throughout the day. Small, home-friendly choices every evening help you stay active, energized, and confident in daily life. These small changes can help support your muscles, energy, and comfort. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Even gentle steps every day can make a difference over time. Everyone's body is different. Results may vary from person to person. Always check with your doctor before changing your diet, taking supplements, or starting new exercises. If you try these habits, start slow. Pick one or two to focus on first. Then gradually add more. Many adults over 50 find this approach manageable and helpful. It's about building a routine that fits your life. Small, simple steps can keep you moving, stronger, and more confident each day. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite breakfast habit or movement. Subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast channel for more gentle, practical tips for adults. Turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos to support your strength, energy, and daily comfort. Thank you for watching, and remember, these tips are educational, safe, and meant to complement your doctor's advice. Take small steps today, and your muscles and daily energy